Nature reminds us something we forget. Nature doesn't rush. The trees covered in snow. Nature has a way of healing us. It doesn't ask for anything in return. It simply offers its stillness, its beauty. The simple touch of a leaf, the feel of the earth under your fingertips. It reminds us that we too are allowed to rest. Touch a leaf, feel the snow. Let your soul reconnect with what's real. Nature won't judge you, it will simply hold space for you to heal. In the quiet, in the stillness, there's always space for a little freedom. Let it in.